Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to enable light mode on the WhatsApp app for PC. If you prefer a brighter and cleaner interface, light mode is the perfect choice. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. Once it's up and running, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. There, you'll notice a menu with several icons. Click on the gear icon labeled Settings to access the app's customization options. Next, in the Settings menu, locate and click on the option called Personalization. This is where you can make visual adjustments to your WhatsApp interface. Within the Personalization section, find the App Color Theme setting. Here, you'll see different theme options available for your app. Select Light from the list of themes. Finally, once you've chosen Light mode, your app will instantly switch to a brighter theme. Enjoy the refreshed and clean look of WhatsApp in light mode. That's all it takes to enable light mode on WhatsApp for PC. It's a quick and simple way to customize your messaging experience. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching.